If you've come across Verdanit.Top or USPetLogic.com, you might be wondering whether these websites are actually legitimate or just another online scam. After looking into both sites, there are a few things you should know before spending your money. The first thing that stands out is the lack of transparency. Trustworthy online stores usually provide clear company details, customer support information, and a solid online presence. With these websites, that information is either very limited or difficult to verify. That's always a warning sign. Another concern is the number of products being sold at prices that seem almost too good to be true. While big discounts do happen, extremely low prices are often used to attract buyers quickly. If a deal looks unbelievable, it's worth taking a closer look before placing an order. Customer feedback is another important factor. At the time of this review, there isn't much reliable information available from verified buyers. When a website has very few genuine reviews, it becomes harder to judge whether customers are actually receiving what they paid for. It's also a good idea to check the website's return policy, shipping details, and payment options. If those pages are vague, copied from other websites, or missing important information, you should think twice before making a purchase. Now, that doesn't automatically mean Verdanit.Top or USPetLogic.com are scams. However, there are enough concerns that I wouldn't recommend shopping without doing more research first. If you decide to buy something, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, such as a credit card or PayPal, so you have options if something goes wrong. Overall, I'd suggest being cautious with both Verdanit.Top and USPetLogic.com until more trustworthy customer experiences become available. Taking a few extra minutes to research a website could save you from losing your money later.